Hi friends, I am Balaswamy. Welcome to my channel Soft Skills by Bala. I hope you have heard about the book 48 Laws of Power. If you have read it, it's great. If you have not read that book, please get the book and then start reading it. It's a great book. Today, from 48 laws, today we shall take the fourth law. What is the fourth law? Always say less than necessary. Speaking is very important. We should have the gift of the gab. Speaking skill is very important, but that doesn't mean we have to speak everywhere, every time. No. The writer of the book says we should always speak less than what is necessary. Because if we speak more, we reveal our ignorance more than our knowledge. And if others know about our ignorance, then they may take us for granted and they may not respect us. So make sure that you speak only when it is necessary and say less than what is necessary. So in the book, he has given us an example for this. So in 1825, Nicholas I became Tsar. C-Z-A-R. Tsar means like a king. Nicholas I became Tsar for Russia. So at that time there were many revolutions, many rebellions against the Tsar Nicholas I. So you know what Nicholas I has done? He has ordered to arrest all these rebels and then he has put them in jail. Sometimes if the rebels are dangerous for the society, he gave orders to hang them. So one such person was Kondraty Relevé. So this person was hanged. He was given orders to be hanged. So what happened? The jailers took him and then they thought of hanging him. They have set everything ready and then they pulled the rope. But accidentally the rope was cut somewhere and then Kondraty has fallen down. He was not dead. So here he has dust everywhere. So he tried to remove the dust and then he said, you see, in Russia, they don't know how to make anything. They don't even know how to make a rope for hanging. He said that. Then the soldiers went to the Tsar, Nicholas I. And then they said, that rope was broken somewhere and so Kondraty could not be hanged. During those days, after hanging, if a person survives, they think that God is willing to keep him alive. So generally they give him pardon. So Nicholas I took the paper of pardon and then he was writing the letter of pardon. And then before signing the pardon letter, he has asked the soldier, did he say anything after survival? And the soldier said, yes. He said, in Russia, people don't know anything, even how to make a rope. Then Nicholas got angry and then he said, this time you take a rope and then make him understand that in Russia we can make ropes. Again Kondraty was hanged. So this time the rope was strong enough to hang him. See, here Kondraty could have kept silence. Why he had to speak again? Is it not unnecessary to speak at that point of time? He could have simply said, thank God I am alive. But then he said, these Russians don't know how to make things. That's a wrong statement. So, because Conrad said like that, he was hanged again. So, friends, speak less. Don't speak rubbish all the time. We find in the meetings, in the offices, most of the people try to say many things. They don't even know why the meeting is called for, who called the meeting, what are the intentions of the people. But then these people keep on speaking. So, because of that, you reveal only your ignorance, you reveal your foolishness. So, if you have gone to a new place, first observe everything, what is happening. If the seniors are there, listen to them. They know more things than you. So, listen to them and then follow their instructions. That will be better than simply opening the mouth and then speaking all rubbish things. So, today you make a decision to speak less than necessary. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe to this channel and like and share the videos. Thank you.